Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be going over the Muay Thai Roundhouse kick. If you guys are enjoying the content so far, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. It really helps with the channel's growth. And yeah, let's just jump right into it. All right, so for the Roundhouse kick, the first step is going to be taking a step out with our lead leg, and our toes are going to be facing a 45-degree angle. All right, this is going to really help us unlock power and help us unlock our leverage as well. So step one, take a step out with your lead leg, toes facing at a 45-degree angle, and watch, my heel isn't touching the floor. Only my toes and the ball of my foot are making impact. And that's gonna help us with step two as well. So once we get step one down, which is very simple, just practice that. And that can be used as a fake later on, right? So once you land your roundhouse kicks and your opponent is expecting it, just using step number one, boom, can be used as a fake. Step number two, we are going to be pushing off the floor with our rear leg, and we're going to be pivoting, aka squishing the bug with our lead leg. And I'm going to show you guys what exactly I mean. So from step one, we're going to take a step out, toes facing at a 45-degree angle. Now watch step two, I'm going to be pushing off the floor, and my lead leg is going to be squishing the bug, aka pivoting. We're not even focusing on releasing the kick right now. We just want to get that motion down of fully turning our hips and our shoulders and fully extending with our kick. All right, now we're actually going to be releasing the kick. So this actually might be easier for some of you guys to help you guys with the actual momentum and the full movement of the roundhouse kick. So starting from the top, we are going to be starting off with a step out. Then our rear leg is going to be pushing off. And this is where the kick is going to be coming into play here. I want you guys to point with your knees where you're going, all right? I see a lot of people kicking like this. A lot of beginners do that. So a way to combat that is to actually point with your knee. At the moment of impact, you want to release the rest of your leg. And we're back to our stance. I'm leading with my knee, and then I'm releasing the kick. All right, and that's gonna really help. That extra snapping motion really helps you generate power. All right, and that was the Muay Thai Roundhouse kick. If you guys enjoy the content and appreciate the technique breakdown, expect more videos in the future, and subscribe down below so you guys don't miss out. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Peace.